This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 5th of May. This is James Spann, Alabama's weather. Beautiful today. We are dry after starting off the day in the 40s. We've got very comfortable temperatures this afternoon. However, rain will be coming back at times over the latter half of the week. And check this out. Pretty fascinating upper air look. You can see we've got the dual upper lows. Looks like a couple of eyeballs staring at us there. That's an omega block, if you will, like a traffic jam in the upper atmosphere. One upper low is over Kentucky, one over Arizona. In fact, let's look at the animation. You can see those spinning away. And underneath the upper low to the north, we have some clouds over North Alabama. And the system that will bring the rain to the state over the latter half of the week is the upper low that's over Arizona. Those will slowly move eastward with time, but in a blocking pattern like that, it's a slow process. Again, there's a closer look at Alabama. You can see those scattered cumulus clouds over the northern half of the state. And so far, we're not seeing anything on radar. But having said that, there could be a few small spotty showers over the Tennessee Valley this evening, but most places will stay dry. Really nice today. We've got mostly low 70s, but a few spots over North Alabama are in the 60s. For example, Cullman at 63, Gadsden 65, Huntsville 66. 70s down in South Alabama, the warm spot Mobile, they've got 78. West of the state, we note there is a flash flood watch in effect for the southern half of Mississippi, all of Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and eastern Texas, all the way back into parts of West Texas and eastern New Mexico, the counties in green on that map. And again, we might see some periods of heavier rain. I'd say for the moment we're not expecting a major flooding problem here, but as always, we'll watch that. Here's a look at the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have an enhanced risk west of the state. That's with the first, with the upper low that's over the southwestern states. We'll call that number one. And then number two, the one that's over Kentucky, that's producing a chance of severe storms from Columbus, Ohio, down into eastern North Carolina. And also a chance of a few severe storms on the east coast of Florida through tonight. Tomorrow, in advance of number one, we've got a risk of severe storms over much of Texas, a marginal risk into southwest Mississippi, then a marginal risk ahead of number two, the second upper low, over parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. And on day three, which is Wednesday, no organized severe storms expected across the country, although we could certainly hear some thunder here. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. The heavier totals over South Alabama. This is suggesting Mobile, Baldwin, and Washington counties in the southwestern corner of the state might pick up 4 inches of rain. That's the yellow on that map. For most of the state, rain amounts between 1 and 3 inches, the lighter totals for the Tennessee Valley. So let's break it down day by day, which is what we do here. This is the 12Z run of the GFS, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And there's our dueling upper lows, one moving into Pennsylvania and the second one moving into West Texas. And again, we're kind of in between those, so I think most of the state will stay dry. Having said that, there could be some rain pushing into the southwestern corner of the state by mid to late afternoon. Mobile, Washington, Baldwin counties. Then the chance of rain will gradually increase statewide late tomorrow night. Highs tomorrow, upper 70s and low 80s. Should be a warmer day as that first upper low moves away. So Wednesday, the weather turns wet, not raining all day, but occasional rain, maybe some thunder. Heaviest rain probably near the Gulf Coast. No severe storms expected. Highs low to mid 70s. Same thing Thursday. Again, not going to rain all day, but some rain at times. The high Thursday, upper 70s and low 80s. This particular run of the GFS is suggesting the better chance of rain on Friday will be across the southern half of the state, with North Alabama looking mostly dry. But again, we're going to mention a chance of rain statewide. That's the first time we've seen this look. But we do believe the weekend will be trending drier. This is Saturday, much of the state dry. Any showers over the extreme southeastern corner of the state, down around Dothan, Geneva, Enterprise. The high Saturday will be in the, I'd say, mid to upper 70s in most spots. And really the same thing on Sunday. Most of the state dry, maybe a shower near the Gulf Coast. The high Sunday will be in the upper 70s and low 80s. So at the moment, the weekend looks pretty good. And a week from today, this is Monday, May 12th. Again, the upper lows have fizzled and are gradually weakening, and again, a fairly dry air mass in place, and at this point, the weather looks rain-free. Let's keep going. This is out 10 days. Thursday, May 15th, upper low this over Canada, a ridge over Texas and the western Gulf Coast, and obviously with a pattern like that, we are dry. So again, for now, much of next week looking rain-free with a warming trend. I would figure we'll be up toward the mid to upper 80s by the end of next week. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches between now and the 20th of May. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. Upper 70s tomorrow, low 70s on Wednesday. Mostly 70s for the weekend. Then the 80s come back next week. In fact, you can see 87 by Thursday, May 15th. And just in moments ago, latest long-range guidance. This is for May 13th through May 19th. Temperatures above average with ridging increasing over the eastern half of the country. Let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Come on now. Stop number 1, Asheville Elementary School in St. Clair County, home of the Bulldogs. Good-looking group there, kindergarten students. I say they're ready for first grade. And looky here, got some healthy treats today. I like this. How about some fruit? Yeah, come on now. That's excellent. But we talked about how we forecast the weather. Talked about thunderstorms and tornadoes and hurricanes. They were great listeners and great learners. So again, to all of these students at Asheville Elementary School, thanks a lot. And then stop number 2, another big kindergarten group. Helena Elementary School, home of the Huskies, Shelby County. Oh, yeah, I love coming to see those kids. I typically see the kindergarten students there every May. And again, they are ready for first grade. And check out that cake. Oh, man, what a treat. The cakes have been amazing this year, including that one. But they were fun. Again, they can soak up the science. We talked about weather instruments. We talked about how we forecast the weather, radar, satellites, and a lot more. It's a great school, great teachers, love it. So again, to all these students at Helena Elementary School and also Asheville Elementary School, thanks a lot for great visits earlier today. You guys are looking good. Tomorrow, going to be at Fairview Middle School, home of the Aggies in Cullman County, and then Cherokee Bend Elementary School in Mountain Brook. Wednesday, going to be at Creekside Elementary School in Harvest, up in the Tennessee Valley. Thursday, going to be in Gadsden, Stripling Elementary School, and then Friday, going to spend some time in Blount County. I've got Southeastern Elementary School and then Hayden Primary School. And again, we have no book signing this Saturday. The next one is going to be a week from Saturday at Tannehill State Park at Trade Days. And again, more about that early next week. And don't forget tonight's Weather Brains Night. It's Monday night, the weekly Monday night weather party for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. YouTube.com/weatherbrains, 7 o'clock Central Time. Most listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out late tonight. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.